How to stop WhatsApp group members from changing group settings. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to stop WhatsApp group members from changing group settings. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Here, you will find your chats in the Chats tab. Then, reach any group and tap on it. At the top, you will find the group name and tap on it. Now, scroll down and locate the group permissions option. After that, tap on it and it will show you the admins can area. Next, hit the toggle button to enable approve new members. Go to the top and you will get the edit group settings option. Hit the toggle button to disable the edit group settings. This includes the group name, icon, description, disappearing message timer, advanced chat privacy, and the ability to pin, keep, or unkeep messages. That's how you can stop WhatsApp group members from changing group settings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.